Okay. See how this works this time. Okay, so we are working on some StreamerBot stuff. I've got a widget that I'm making that I've made for Twitch that is a player queue for playing with viewers types of streams where people join your game and you want to organize the queue of players. And partly as an academic exercise and also partly to help a specific member of my community, I want to make a version of this that works in StreamerBot for YouTube. And also, if I'm trying to make myself an authority on StreamerBot, I want to learn a little bit more about how it works with YouTube as well. And it's fun to dabble with YouTube streaming once in a while as well. So I occasionally do like just chatting streams where I tinker with StreamerBot, and I may occasionally do them here as well, especially when I'm doing YouTube related StreamerBot stuff. So, excuse me. You have to pardon my lack of preparation for this, and you know, all of my normal stuff that's fun on my Twitch channel isn't here because I have kind of a bare bones StreamerBot instance I'm working with, and I don't have overlays and stuff for YouTube and all that jazz. So let me get my Zoom working here. So you can see what I'm doing. It's a little bit too much. So basically I have this action called player queue. So that I want to adjust to work in YouTube. And right now it's seems like the command is working fine. Player queue, so the command was add me. Got username and stuff. That's all well and good. User type is YouTube. That's good to know. Cool. So I could check that, I wonder. I'm trying to figure out if there's a way that I can make this action just generic so it works in both. But for now, I'm going to have them be separate actions and exports and everything. But I think the main thing doesn't work. Okay, args users. So let me look at those args. Zoom back out. Just open this up. So it's just a lowercase user. Okay, that's all fine. Main thing is, so add player. There's all these places where I'm doing this send message action, and that's not going to work with YouTube. I want to do C# available methods YouTube send YouTube message. So ultimately what I could do would be like abstract this out and have some flags that get set. But right now I just want to get it working. I'm just the version 1 for YouTube is going to be that it just works with a separate export and everything. And version 2 will be that it is like a more generic action that will work for both YouTube and Twitch together. So anywhere I'm doing this send message thing, I want to ditch the second parameter and do send YouTube message. Send message. This might be all that I need to fix. The other thing was I was doing a fetch target info for user action, sub action, and to catch the target username, and we'll get into that in a second. And I think I can just use raw input there instead. We lose out on a little bit of validation, but that's just going to have to be how it goes. So I may be able to do use that command source and run slight variations of the code or something so that on Twitch I can still have that something. Pile, save. All right. If I'm lucky, that's literally all I have to change and we'll be done. But I'm not lucky, generally. Add me. Holy shit, it works. Grassy Knoll is already in queue. Players in queue. Grassy Knoll. Remove me. Moving Grassy Knoll from queue. Player queue is empty. Use add player to add some. Holy shit, it worked. One thing I see, that /me thing doesn't work on YouTube. So that's fine. File, save. Okay, so then I want to do, let's see, let me go in as my character, add player, something, come on. Okay. Well, what I want to do now is figure out how those kind of permissions work on YouTube. Viewers, role is a viewer. So if I set those commands to be add me and remove me, I want anyone to be able to use. This one I want to lock it down to moderators only. So let's try that again. It's actually going to work. Holy smokes. Add player nobody. So what happened there? Finished. Command source YouTube. Oh. Add player nobody. Add player someone. It just didn't even register the action command because because it's that person doesn't have access. So if I do it myself, does that work? There. Oops, typing's hard. Player, nobody. Adding queue, players in queue. One, someone, two, nobody. Holy shit, it works. Next. Next player. Someone, you're up. Then I gotta get those emotes out of there. Let me see. Change to some YouTube emotes instead. Elbow cough. Let's see. Quote, colon, good vibes, colon. Okay. There's a buffering emote. That's great. So, good vibes. Oh. Try that next. Next player. No, didn't work. Good. Let me just copy it. See if I can do that. If I just use, if I just type good vibes, do the emote. No. Huh, I wonder. Interesting. I guess I don't know how that works with YouTube. File, save. Okay. Add me. Let's see, can I add people? Kind of. Next player. Clear players. Next player 2. Let's see if all of these work. Awesome. Add player grassy. No. Add player nobody. Add player someone. So we should have like 4 people totally. Okay. So the emotes don't work. That's fine. But what? but otherwise it's working. So yeah, next thing would be to figure out how to make this generic along with the Twitch one, but I'm not gonna mess with that for now. There's just not a lot of demand for it for YouTube streamers at the moment, but it just as an academic exercise, it'd be cool to figure it out. It's not that much different. I could try. Yeah, there's like, I have to figure out whether the command came from YouTube, and then based on that, so I could use this command source, and then just change what I need to change within the code for YouTube or for Twitch. That's not so bad. So it's like using raw input instead of target user, and then using send YouTube message instead of send message, using Twitch appropriate or YouTube appropriate emotes and stuff. And then that's pretty much it. The rest of the core logic can stay the same. Excuse me. And then another thing I want to add would be making it so right now these commands are kind of hard coded, so you can't just go into StreamerBot and change the save. You can't just go in and change these commands because how it works is kind of hard coded inside of the action. So what I could do is make it so that just like add sub action. See if this works out of curiosity. Logic set argument. Add me command is this. So then instead of using the literal, if I just use args add me command dot to string and then also args case add. So like let the default work too. Case args add me command to string pile. A constant value is expected. Shit. Well, that won't work. I may need to switch back to like an if structure here. I could go like yeah, I'm not gonna fuck with it today. Do like I had this like this before, where each, instead of a big switch statement, it was individual if statements. So I could be like if command equals add me or command equals args command dot to string Then do the thing. And then I will just comment this out now. This needs to be in quotes. No closing loop. Oh. Okay. So that should still work if I do add me. But then if I change this to be AM, which is what I set the add me command value to. Try that. AM. Okay. Yeah, that will totally work if I do it that way. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. So let's just continue with that real quick, I guess. Ditching this whole construct entirely. Don't have a default anymore. We don't need any of the breaks. And remove those on a case-by-case basis. So then, command equals remove me, or command equals args move me command dot to string. So basically just replacing this whole structure with just individual if statements instead. It's fine. It was cleaner the other way, but if I want to be more flexible, sometimes if you want your code to be more flexible, sometimes it has to be a little bit more ugly. Add player command string. Okay. If command equals show players or command equals args show players command to string. This one's going to be a little bit longer because it was two cases together. If command equals next player or command equals args next player command to string or command equals random player or that up command equals args random player command to string. equals random player. Okay. And then I had like there's a separate case inside of here where check again which one, because mostly this action does the same thing for either of these commands, but there's one thing that's different. Compile. Shit. Oh yeah, I can't compile yet because I need to finish these. If and equals clear players. I'm gonna add in the extra variables in a minute and just get this so that to the point where I can compile it again. And equals remove player. And then this will let people set whatever command aliases they want, as long as they specify. Compile, save. Let's try. Clear players. Oh, that's not going to work for a nobody user. Clear players. What happened? Action queue. Clear players. Get my baby monitor up there. Exclamation clear players. Add me. Oops. Spelling is hard. Add me works. Remove me. Okay, remove me works. Just test all the base. Add player Frankie. That did not work. Okay. So we have breakdown there. So what did the command look like there? Command add player. Raw input Frankie. Fine. If command equals exclamation add player, which it totally did. Oh, you know what? It's probably. I was gonna say it's probably choking on that. Let's see if there's something in the logs. It's just dying. Player queue. Given key was not present in dictionary. Okay. Yeah, so it was getting to here, probably, and saying, hey, remove me command doesn't exist. So what I can do is just make sure those all exist. Comment here. Let's see, I have add me, remove me, add player, show players, next player, clear players, remove player, random. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then this will be remove me command. So add me, remove me, add player. AP, move player, RP, next player, next, and player command, and command. Add me command, remove me command, add player command, remove player command, next player command, random player command, clear players command, CP. What am I missing? Remove, show. Add me, remove me, add players, show players. Players command. SP. Okay. Now let's try remove me. Oh, I want to try add player again. Nice. So if I actually go change those, AM, RM, AP, RP, next, rand, CP, SP. AM, RM, player, AP, clear players, CP, next player, next, random player, and move player, RP, show players, SP. Just for testing, SP. Okay. I didn't quite finish the logic to check each of those, but I'm close. Clear players or command equals args. Clear players command. Move player or command equals args. Remove player command to string. I think that's it. Save. Okay, let's try all those shortcuts then. We got CP, which should clear the queue. AP, let's see, AM is add me. RM is remove me. AP, Phlare bot. RP, Phlare bot. I got a extra print line in there somewhere. Move player. Move player C. Oh. Save. Means I gotta fix my Twitch one too. Shite. RP. AM. RP Phlare. Phlare. Oh, it's not case sensitive. Or it is case sensitive. Oh, do I want to fuck with that? Probably. What did I not test? Add me. Next. Add me. Rand. AM. AP. Phlare bot. AP test. Rand. All right. SP. All right, I think that does it. Honestly, take a minute and make it case insensitive too. Fuck it, why not? Let's player args. Okay, C# to lowercase. I don't even know. C# is new for me, so this is all been an academic exercise for sure. String to lowercase. Okay, so if I just do to string and then to lower. I guess the only ones that really matter if it's case insensitive is the ones where it needs to search. So it doesn't matter if they're being added with capital. It's just when I go to remove player. So remove player basically needs to be case insensitive. Otherwise, don't matter. Move player list string player queue. Let's see. It's just using index of. How do I use index of case insensitive? Oh, really? String comparison, ordinal ignore case. Is it really that easy? Just add this. Cannot convert from system string comparison to int. Oh, comparer. Invariant culture ignore case. Is that seems weird. Yep. Compile. List of strings. List string. Yeah. Doesn't actually work. Find index. Let's try that. Phuket, Thailand. Int index equals player queue. Find index. X equals player. String comparison. Okay. Compile. Does that actually work? That's going to be awesome. Okay, so RP Phlare lowercase. Frickin' works. Add me. Add. up. Really crazy case. RP UPEASDA FAASD. AP camel case. RP camel case. AP camel case. Awesome. Case insensitivity for the win. All right. I think we're done. Thank you for joining me on a little YouTube streamy. It's a good exercise just getting this to work. I'm going to go fix this, make the same adjustments here to my Twitch version of this thing. But yeah, cool. It works. I'm super happy about that. Smell you later. Bye.